Dapat na-drain yan. Talsik. O kaya pala. Natalsik to ang karburador. Naku, tumirik pa. Naku, tumirik ang Malaysia. Okay, winner is Malaysia. Medyo may problema. Me right, Joshua Barrientos is from Boracay Island. While si Jomar Santos naman po, yung Team Mustang is from Bulacan. So winner, Malaysia. And of course, thank you so much Team Mustang for supporting the Crest Cup and joining the race. See you at the National Championship. Thank you so much, ma'am. So get ready, Malaysia 47 versus DBRT 50. Eto na naman, umaatikabong bakbakan. So sa laban po ng Malaysia versus DBRT,